Here's how to change your address on TurboTax. So there's two spots that you might be wanting to change your address. Number one is your TurboTax account, which is your Intuit account. Number two might be on the tax return that you're currently filing. So let's take a look at your account. If we go in the sidebar here on the left, in the lower part of it, we're going to see Intuit account, and we can click on that. That's going to take us to an overview page of our dashboard for our account, which is basically our TurboTax account. Now from here, if you go into profile, you can change your address. There's also a little change address quick action here on the right, but we'll go click into profile, and then down here on address, we can click on that and we can actually just update the address. So maybe you've misspelled one number, so we're going to change that and then click save. So I'm going to say yes, that's correct, even though we made up that address. And so here we go, we have an address down here. But if you want to change the address of the tax return that you're filing, then we're going to exit out of our account overview and we're going to go inside of our tax return. And so it's actually in the personal info section. I'm going to hit continue. If you're not on this page, on the left hand side, just click on the my info part. And if we scroll down, we're going to see address and phone, and we can click edit on that. And so inside of here, we can adjust the address as needed. This is actually 1234 Main Street, so we added that in there, and we can hit continue, and that's how we can change that address. Hit continue again, and there we go. We've got the new address in there. That section is completed, but we can always click on it, drop it down, and edit it if we need to again. That's how you can change address on TurboTax.